wabarakatuh. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends, a very warm good morning and a very happy Independence Day to each and every one of you. My name is Arfa Husna, and I feel truly honored to stand before you on this proud and historic occasion. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate 18th Independence Day of our great nation India. But Independence Day is not just a celebration, it is a reminder of the price our freedom demanded. On 15 August 1947, India finally became free from British rule. But that freedom was not achieved in a single day. It was result of decades of struggle, courage, sacrifice, and unbreakable determination to see India free. From Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose to Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and countless others known and unknown heroes, thousands people have sacrificed their comfort, their families, and even their lives for the freedom of our motherlands. Many of them never lived to see the India they dreamed of, but they believe in it, they fought for it, and they died for it. And today, we are living that dream. My dear friends, when our trigger rises in the sky, let us not see it as just a flag. Let's remember the courage behind its saffron, the peace and truth represented by its white, the growth and hope represented by its green, and the Ashok Chakra reminding us that a nation we must understand. Our flag doesn't simply represent India. It represents sacrifice, dreams, hopes of millions of Indians. But there is something we must understand. Freedom is not only a gift we receive from the past. It is a responsibility we carry into the future. Our generation must work to strengthen India, and that responsibility doesn't belong to every citizen. Real patriotism is not always loud. It is seen in the small things we do every day. When we keep our surroundings clean, when we respect our national symbols, when we follow the law, when we help someone in need, when we respect people who may speak a different religion and come from a different part of India. Because India is not made strong by our differences. India is made strong by our unity, despite those differences. My dear friends, India is today is most powerful and full of dreams. We have achieved remarkable progress in science, technology, sports, space, and many other fields. But our journey is not over. Our flag doesn't simply represent India. We do not have to perform some extraordinary act every day to serve our country. Sometimes patriotism simply means doing ordinary things extraordinarily honestly, studying sincerely, doing our duties responsibly, standing against injustice, helping others, and becoming citizen our country can be proud of. So on this Independence Day, let's not only celebrate our freedom, let's understand its value, let's respect those who sacrificed their lives for us, let's respect freedom they gave us. Thank you. Speech on 15 August 2020.